It's a pretty secret haul. Pretty secret. शर्माना यार बड़ी बेसिक थिंग है, हर एक लड़की को पता होना चाहिए. It should be discussed. This is something to be aware about. So make sure you watch this video till the last. I will discuss top 4 bras that are available in the market from the brand Pretty Secrets, which I purchased, which goes with every specific kind of attires, and every girl should own these 4 bras. And also I will share some UGs, and also at last I will share how to check your bra size while you are shopping online or offline. So let's get started with this video and just open this kind of secret. So number 1 bra that every woman should own, number 1, nude color, and then a seamless. So this is a nude color seamless bra, which is also known as planch bra, I guess what they call, Pretty Secrets call it. I will name all the bras down here with the pricing, the screenshot of the lady, so that you can get an idea how it looks. So this is basically a basic seamless kind of bra. Seamless, why? It doesn't have any kind of stitching showing on the cuffs or on the below end, so it is very seamless if you wear really tight fitted dress. So these kind of bras are really good. They don't show their shape very much, at the same time they really uplifts the whole thing and it looks sexy on you. And what is the best thing about this one, it has really broad strap. So if you're a kind of heavy breast woman, these kind of straps are really good. They hold on perfectly. And the third best thing, the straps are the hooks are changeable, so you can change it to transparent hooks. Why a nude bra? Because number 1 thing, having a nude bra is like one bra perfect for all occasion. Nude color never shows on any other color. Like if you wear it inside white, if you wear it inside black, or any kind of color, your skin kind of nude color is perfect bra to invest in. It goes with all kind of colors. Second number bra is something which every girl should own right now, because today in the fashion of off shoulder, one shoulder, cold shoulder, majorly all the fashion nowadays is more concentrated on bare shoulder kind of thing. So you really can't wear your normal bra which has a strap visible. So these kind of bras really come handy. These are called strapless bras, although they come with their own strap and also a transparent strap, which is like kudos to Pretty Secrets. They are giving 2 straps even with a strapless bra. So these kind of bras are designed in such a manner that you can wear it without a strap as well. They have underwiring going on right here. I guess no other bra without underwiring can hold you without a strap. So all the strapless bras have underwiring going on. So they also have like cushion kind of thing, so you don't feel really pokey and kind of painful, because strapless bras sometimes local quality are really painful. One tip right here which I want to tell you, which the lady who was suggesting me the bra in the store said, that always go for a little bit size tight. Like if you are 34B, if you feel comfortable in 34B, but if you can wear 32B as well, go for 32B size, because strapless bras need to be a lot tighter than your normal bras, because they are holding all the weight of your thing without any strap. All the weight is down here, so make sure the strap is really tight. So always go for a size lesser or a size tight if you are comfortable in it. Third bra is something for all you sports women out there. Not even sports women, I think normally also women goes for gymming, jogging, normal walking. You really can't wear these kind of fancy bras to your gymming and kind of rigorous exercises, because these are really not good for your boobs. It really pains. It might cause you pain for the longer time or for the lifetime. So make sure if you are indulging yourself into really rigorous kind of sports activity, you always invest in a good quality sports bra. So this one is again from the brand, from the same brand, Pretty Secrets. It has a hook kind of bra kind of hook right here, so you can make it more tight or loose if you want the lower strap side. And talking about this kind of strap, they have inside is velcro, so you can really pull out the velcro and make it tight or loose. So from the both end, these kind of sports bras really comfortable. You can make them tight or loose, whatever you want. Second best part is the zipper. Like the zipper really has a lock kind of system. So once you pull it up, you can make the chain down, and once you lock it down, you can't force it to go down. It is really tight. So if you are indulging into really rigorous and heavy exercises, these kind of sports bra are really amazing, quality for money and worth investing. And the fourth bra is something for your daily use, for your college, school, offices, is a normal cotton based bra which does not have any kind of wiring. It doesn't have any kind of wiring, so it is really comfortable, because on daily basis wearing An underwired bra on the daily basis is really painful. It is not good for your health, and it is not even recommended by doctors to wear underwired bras daily. So for daily purpose, these kind of bras are amazing. They are pure cotton kind of bras. They are sweat kind of resistant. You won't feel very sweaty, and in heavy summers also you feel comfortable with them. Next are two UGs that I bought. Again, investing in a nude color UG is really important, because in summers you go for culottes, plazos, lowers which are really light in color, and sometimes the kind of look or the color of the undergarment is really visible. So make sure if you're wearing light colored lowers which are really thin material, you always go for a nude bra, because they don't look pathetic and they don't show up their pattern or something. So number one is the seamless panty. Again, seamless because the ends, like the panty lines, are really seamless and thin. When you wear it, the panty lines are really not visible. So if you wear jeggings, really tight jeggings or any kind of tights, if you wear, the back panty line is not visible and it looks more neat and clean. Next up is a really funny thing. So this is like a tummy tucker kind of nude panty. Again, this is also seamless. It doesn't have any kind of stitching going on, so it is really seamless. The panty line is not visible. The only difference between these two is the tummy tucker thing. So it has like really high waist kind of tummy tucker, although it is kind of fail for me because the stuff is really thin. So it is not very tight kind of tummy tucker which kind of tucks your tummy really in. But I feel like it is more comfortable. It really makes your whole dress look seamless. If you have bulging kind of tummy, I have a little bulging tummy, so these kind of tummy tucker kind of panties are really good. They really tuck your stomach in, and if you wear really tight dresses over it, it is not very visible. Your belly button is not very visible, and at the same time these are really comfortable because these are very thin. These are not very hard kind of wired shaped tummy tuckers, so they won't like make you suffocated. This was all about my Pretty Secrets haul. Now coming to a very important thing, which is what is your bra size. So number one thumb rule, which is the easiest thumb rule, is to measure under your bust. I'll kind of insert all the screenshot so that it is easier for you. So measure under your bust and then over your bust, and make sure when you're measuring under your bust, you are not taking the inchi tape too tight or too loose. Just keep it to the right size where you feel comfortable, which is tight enough for you. Then mention over your bust like in the screenshot, and make sure you're not wearing any kind of padded bra because it might kind of change your size. So you're wearing a normal flat kind of bra, and then measure over your bust. And once you minus your over the bust size and minus your under the bust size, you will get certain numbers. So if you minus them, if you get 1, then your cup size is A. If you get 2, your cup size is B. If you get 3, your cup size is C. So this is like a basic thumb rule. Don't get confused अगर इतनी ज़्यादा math नहीं समझ आती है. Easy thumb rule है. अगर आप Pretty Secrets की online website पे जाएंगे, it is very easy. The size chart is really basic. They have different sizing for over the bust, under the bust. You can match both the things together. You can know your size perfectly. And if you're shopping on the offline store, you can really try hidden trial. You can try various sizes, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. Like I tried अपने शाई बबल से बाहर आने की मैंने कोशिश करी है. आई ट्राइड कि मैं इस वीडियो को बनाऊं सो दैट इट इज़ वेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर यू ऑल, बिकॉज बीइंग अ वुमेन ये जो चीज़ है ये ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी जाती, बट इट शुड बी टॉक्ड अबाउट. दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग टू फील शाई. एवरी वुमेन शुड नो दीज बेसिक information and thumb rules about your lingerie. And yeah, if you genuinely loved it, if you find it helpful, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the red subscribe button and keep watching my videos. मैंने इससे पहले भी बहुत ज़्यादा information video बनाई हुई है. Watch those. आगे information videos बनाऊंगी. Follow me on Instagram and on other social media. I will link all the social media links below. And comment down below whatever you feel like. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. Any kind of doubts that you have, any kind of information you want to share regarding this video, any other video, comment down below, share your opinions. This is pretty much it about today's video. Bye bye.